Session we will discuss question number 5 and 6. Here we have 6 questions and we have inequalities. Here we have a modulus 2x minus 1 is less than and equals to modulus 3x. Similarly, this F question is modulus 2x. So we will discuss one or two questions from this part A or maybe E part. Let's see this. So we have this question A. We have 2x minus 1 modulus is less than modulus 3x. So since we open it, you will get positive or negative value, but when we take it as a square, then this becomes this positive both sides. So this is 2x minus 1 whole square, and taking both a square on both sides. So this open with this whole square and this one, we will get this result. So 4x square minus 4x plus 1, and this is 9x square. We'll shift this 9x square here, so it becomes now minus 5x square minus 4x plus 1 is less than 0. If we multiply both sides with the minus 1, then this sign will change and this becomes 5x plus 4x minus 1. Now factorize this, we will get this x plus 1 and 5x minus 1 is greater than 0. So this x is x plus 1 is 0, means x is minus 1. So we have this minus 1 and this is 1 over 5. So these two critical values are minus 1 and 1 over 5. So x plus 1 is greater than 0, means x is less than minus 1. So x is less than minus 1. So when this 5x plus 1 is greater than 0, means 5x is equal to 1 over 5. So x is equal to 1 over 5. So when we draw this graph, we have this graph 3x. So this is 3x, this one, and this is 2x minus 1 in this one. So we see this in the fair diagram here in this part. This one is 3x, modulus 3x. This is 3x here, and since this is modulus, so this will not go, but this red dot is modulus 3x, and this 2x minus 1 is this one. And you will see that 3x is greater in this region. In this region, after 1 over 5, this is greater. So this red line is above this blue line. But in this region, from this minus 1 to 1 over 5 or 0.2, this 2x minus 1 is greater than 3x. So since we have to find this relationship, that 3x is greater than or equals to. So 3x is greater than and equals to in this region. 3x is greater in this region and above this region. So when x is less than minus 1, then this red line is above this blue line, and when x is greater than 1 over 5, then this red line is greater than this blue line. So the answer is x is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 1 over 5. That is there. X is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 1 or greater than or equal to 1 over 5. So this is the answer. This region and this region. This region, above this and above this. And in a fair form, this one. This red line. In this region. So this is 0.2, which is 1 over 5, and here this is minus 1. So in this region, this red line is above this blue line, and in this region this red line is above this blue line. It will always be above this blue line, but in this region this blue line is above this red region. So in this condition this is true, but in this condition 2x minus 1 is less than or equals to, if we take this point as well, then we can write this equals to sign as well. So in this region, so this is the answer. Now let's go to question number let's solve question D. This is modulus 4x plus 3 is greater than modulus x. So we can take the square on both sides, and this becomes 16x square, 2x, 24x, and this is 9, and this is x square, and we can rearrange to make this equation, and now we'll factorize it. On factorization, we have obtained this x plus 1, 5x plus 3 is greater than 0. So this minus 1 and 3 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5 is the critical values. And now we will draw this graph. This is D part. This is 4x plus 3 modulus 4x plus 3, this blue line is this curve, and this is red line is x. So we see this intersect this line at these 2 points, and we have to find this value. 4x plus 3 is greater than x. So 4x plus 3 is greater than x in this region. Here this curve is above this line, and here this curve is above this line, and in this region this line is above this line. So here modulus x is greater than 4x plus 3. So we have to find this region and above this region. So our answer is greater than this region or this region, minus 1, and this is minus 3 upon 5, minus 0.6. So this is minus 0.6, above minus 0.6 and below minus 1. So this is part D. Let's solve question number 6, and here we have some modulus x plus 1 is greater than x minus 4 modulus, and similarly the others. And let's solve this question number 6. Let's solve question number B, 6b. Here we have this equation. We have x minus 2 is greater than and equals to x plus 5. So we take the square on both sides, and from this we have obtained x is greater than 3 upon 2, or x is less than, if it multiply on both sides with minus 1, so x is less than minus 3 upon 2. When x is less than minus 3 upon 2, we will have this equation. This is x minus 2 modulus, and this is x plus 5 modulus. So we see this this x plus 2 modulus is greater, this x minus 2 modulus is greater x plus 5, this is x plus 5 modulus is greater in this region. If this is less than this, if this is less than minus 3 upon 2, then this graph is greater than this graph in this region. After this region, after this point in this region, this curve is above this curve, which is this. And in a fair form we can see as well. Question number B. This x minus 2 modulus is greater than x plus 5. This is x plus 5 modulus, and x minus 2 is greater than x plus 5 modulus, which is required. Now we will solve question number D. Let's solve E. X plus 2 modulus is less than half x minus 5. So let's solve this question number E. X plus 2. Here we have this x plus 2 is less than modulus half x minus 5. Well, let's take the square on both sides, and this is solving. We have obtained this, and finally we have obtained this. Now factorize it, and as a result of this factorization, we have this x minus 2 and x minus 4. So minus 14 and plus 2 are the two critical points, and when we draw this modulus values, x plus 2, and this is the red line is half x minus 5. So this is red one, and we have to find that this x plus 2 is greater than half x. And question 5. This x plus 2 is less than this one. X plus 2 is less than. So x plus 2 is less than. This is, so we have to find this blue is below this red line, is in this region. So from this minus minus 14 to plus 2. This is minus 14 and this is plus 2. Here we have this plus 2 point. So in this region, from here to here in this band, this red line, which is half x minus 5, is this half x minus 5 is greater. In this region, this curve, red curve, is greater than this blue curve. So we have to find this one. So this is the right answer. In the next session, we will discuss